This is the past of financial services. But I can see the future and its limitless potential for creating value for businesses and individuals. And financial services providers will be at the center of it all, making it happen as orchestrators of complete customer experiences. Delivering differentiated customer experiences and ultimately achieving real business transformation begins with converting every person and business's activity into data. Because data leads to intelligence, and intelligence is the new product of today. But the big question is, how do you take that data and intelligence and turn it into value? The answer is technology, insights, and imagination. And Microsoft is offering you all three. With this technology, artificial intelligence in the cloud, you will realize new possibilities for your clients. Possibilities you and they previously hadn't even imagined. Let me give you a business example of turning data into value. This is Cindy. She owns a bakery, and she knows what she sold to Joe, a customer, today. Cindy's bank, however, has access to a lot more data. For instance, data that shows the spending patterns of people like Joe over the past 10 years. This is value in the form of intelligence that the bank can share with Cindy. Using analytics, AI, and data visualization, Cindy can know what to bake on certain days based on her customers' buying habits. She can also use this data to optimize her prices or drive her growth strategy, among many other outcomes. Another example, Henry, a real estate developer, has a loan with the bank, and that bank has set benchmarks that have to be met. The bank uses a virtual inspector to track and review on-site security cameras, while AI uses the raw video data to identify construction progress to check against those benchmarks. Here's another business owner, Thorsten, an organic farmer. He's invested a great deal of money in equipment. Data can show him when to purchase new equipment, when tractor treads need to be swapped out, when livestock feed orders need to be placed, and if weather or market patterns will affect those decisions. Data lets him plan accordingly. As you can see, the possibilities are endless. But with the cloud, intelligence at scale, and a network of partners, it all becomes manageable. Let me take you through the process one more time. Think of it as a big circle. It begins with what you want to achieve, then identifying data that can help. Next, applying AI to the data. Out of this comes intelligence. Then, what you do with that intelligence to make a decision, deliver a product, or power a whole new line of business. Perhaps most important, it's what you do with that intelligence to orchestrate innovative customer experiences that fuel engagement and build loyalty for the long run. Finally, it's how that intelligence helps you understand what you want to achieve next. Whatever business scenario you can imagine, value comes from the combination of data, applied intelligence, and the right services. Yours and those from a trusted network of partners, delivered in the right place at the right time. This is the future that financial institutions can orchestrate, a future of compelling customer experiences powered by data.